Lesson: Follow-up and continuous improvement in audits. Follow-up and continuous improvement are critical components in the auditing process, particularly in the specialized field of AI compliance and ethics audits. These elements ensure that the audit not only serves as a one-time evaluation, but also as a dynamic tool for ongoing enhancement. The essence of follow-up and continuous improvement lies in the systematic approach to addressing identified issues, monitoring progress, and adapting to new challenges, which ultimately leads to the robust governance of AI systems. A significant aspect of follow-up in AI audits is the implementation of a structured plan to address the findings. This involves prioritizing issues based on their potential impact on compliance and ethics. High-priority issues, such as those that might lead to legal consequences or significant ethical breaches, must be resolved promptly. For example, if an AI system is identified to exhibit biased decision-making patterns, immediate corrective actions are necessary to prevent potential discrimination claims. To facilitate effective follow-up, auditors can utilize a variety of practical tools. One such tool is the use of a corrective action plan, which outlines specific steps to remedy identified deficiencies. A well-constructed CAP includes clear deadlines, responsible parties, and measurable outcomes, ensuring accountability and transparency throughout the process. Additionally, integrating project management software such as Asana or Trello can enhance the tracking of these actions, providing real-time updates and facilitating communication among stakeholders. Continuous improvement in AI audits revolves around the concept of iterative learning and adaptation. Auditors must recognize that AI technologies are rapidly evolving, necessitating a proactive approach to auditing practices. One effective framework for continuous improvement is the Plan, Do, Check, Act cycle. This iterative model encourages auditors to plan improvements, implement them, monitor results, and adjust strategies based on findings. For instance, if an audit reveals that an AI system's data collection processes are inadequate, the PDCA cycle can guide the development and refinement of more robust data governance policies. A key element of continuous improvement is the integration of feedback mechanisms. These mechanisms ensure that insights from audits lead to tangible enhancements in AI systems. For example, by establishing feedback loops with AI developers, auditors can provide data-driven recommendations that inform the design and deployment of more ethical AI solutions. This collaborative approach not only fosters a culture of continuous learning, but also aligns the objectives of auditors and AI practitioners towards common goals. Case studies can be instrumental in illustrating the impact of follow-up and continuous improvement in AI audits. Consider the example of a multinational corporation that implemented an AI-driven hiring platform. Initial audits identified significant biases in the algorithm, favoring certain demographics over others. Through a comprehensive follow-up plan, the company re-engineered its data inputs and retrained the AI model, resulting in a more equitable hiring process. Subsequent audits confirmed the effectiveness of these changes, demonstrating the value of a structured follow-up and continuous improvement approach. Statistics also highlight the importance of these practices. A study conducted by the Institute of Internal Auditors found that organizations with robust follow-up mechanisms were 30% more likely to achieve their compliance and ethical objectives compared to those without. This underscores the role of follow-up and continuous improvement in not only resolving immediate issues, but also in driving long-term organizational success. To address real-world challenges, auditors must be adept at leveraging analytics and data visualization tools. These tools can provide deep insights into the performance of AI systems, enabling auditors to identify trends, anomalies, and areas for improvement. For instance, using tools like Tableau or Power BI, auditors can visualize the distribution of outcomes generated by an AI model, making it easier to spot potential biases or errors. By continuously refining these visualizations based on audit findings, organizations can maintain a high level of transparency and accountability in their AI operations. Furthermore, the integration of machine learning techniques in audit processes can enhance the detection of subtle issues that might otherwise go unnoticed. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast data sets to uncover patterns indicative of noncompliance or ethical concerns. By incorporating these advanced analytical capabilities into the auditing toolkit, auditors can not only improve their ability to detect issues but also predict future risks, thereby strengthening the overall governance framework of AI systems. As AI technologies become more pervasive, the ethical implications of their deployment cannot be overstated. Ensuring that AI systems adhere to ethical standards is a continuous process that extends beyond initial audits. Ethical considerations such as fairness, transparency, and accountability must be embedded into the life cycle of AI systems. Auditors play a critical role in this regard by continuously evaluating these ethical dimensions and recommending improvements where necessary. Moreover, the regulatory landscape surrounding AI is continually evolving, with new guidelines and standards being introduced regularly. Auditors must stay abreast of these developments to ensure compliance and to drive continuous improvement. Participation in professional networks, attending industry conferences, and engaging with regulatory bodies are effective strategies for auditors to remain informed and to anticipate changes that may impact their auditing practices. In conclusion, follow-up and continuous improvement are indispensable elements of effective AI audits. By adopting structured follow-up plans, leveraging practical tools and frameworks, and embracing a mindset of continuous learning, auditors can enhance their proficiency in managing the complexities of AI systems. Through these practices, organizations not only address immediate compliance and ethical concerns, but also foster a culture of innovation and resilience, ultimately ensuring that AI technologies are deployed responsibly and sustainably.